everyone, welcome to Morningmate. My name is Kate, and today I want to talk about the 3 types of projects that we have in Morningmate and how to choose the correct one to fit your project's needs. Let's get started. Okay, so let's start again on our homepage of Morningmate, and as you can see, every project box has a different type of icon. As you can see, this one has an earth, this one only has the 11 members, this one has a lock, and this one has a pair of buildings on it. So let me explain each one to you. When you see an earth icon, this means this is a public project and it has one member inside of it, which is me. When you see no icon, it means that this is a general project. It's a private project. When you see a lock one, this means that it's a private general project that requires manager's permission to access. And last but not least, we have a public, all members public project. This means that it involves every single member of the organizational chart automatically. As you can see, how can we create a public project? Let's start with this one, the one that has the earth sign. It means that when you create this project, all members of your organizational chart will be able to see this project, access this project, and if they think that they might be in a way useful to this project, they can add themselves to the participants list and start posting on this project. In order to create a public type of project, we go to create project, we select blank project, public. You can add the details, you can customize the way that you want to view this project, and in this little feature, when it says public, we just click on activate and we set a category. And then we just click create project, and now you have your public project created. And you can see it right here. It has been added to your project boxes. If you want to create a general project, all you have to do is not enable the public project icon. So this would be a public project, and like this, it will be a private project. We click create project, and then a private type of project will be created. But if we want this project to need a manager's approval to join, you just click on this option right here and create the project. That way, as you can see, it's a general project, but it also has the lock icon, which means that it needs manager's approval to join. And in order to create all members project, which this is one great example, as you can see, everybody from my organizational chart is part of this project. You have to have the access to the admin console, and you have to be the account manager of your Morningmate commercial accounts in order to create this type of project. When you create this type of projects, everybody from the organizational chart is automatically added to this project. You cannot remove anybody. So this is perfect to share information that involves everybody in the company. This can be company's news, this can be social events and similar occasions, because everybody will be able to see this kind of posts. And yes, these are the 3 types of projects that we have in Morningmate. So choose carefully which one is the best for you and for your type of project. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I really hope to see you on the next one. Bye bye.